好，来继续来看美国的总统川普，伫当地时间22号来表示，讲伊计划要伫4月访问中国。中国的国家主席习近平是预算今年底要访问美国。川普强调讲，伊甲习近平一直维持着良好的关系，而且讲美国甲中国的关系伫疫情了后有明显改善。
I'm going in April. He'll come toward the end of the year. And I look forward to seeing President Xi. I've always had, his wife is fantastic. He's an amazing guy. And I've always had a great relationship. President Xi of China. Always had a great relationship with him. It was a very strained relationship during COVID. But now it's an excellent relationship. Look, you see that. Look at all the farm product they're buying. The soybeans, they're buying a lot of soybeans. That makes our farmers happy. And that makes me happy. Thank you very much, everybody.
川普嘛讲到讲，中国最近大量采买到美国的大豆，对于美国农民来讲是好消息。美国的财政部长贝森特进一步来表示，讲目前美中的关系已经达到非常良好的平衡，双方无啥有可能会佫升悬为全面的经济冲突。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。